Hello guys, today we'll be making a catch game in Scratch. So let's get started. First, you will have to delete the sprite named Sprite1. You can do this by right clicking on it and then clicking delete. It will ask you, are you sure you want to delete the sprite? You will have to click yes. Then you will have to go to choose a sprite and click on it. Then search here bowl. The sprite should look like this. Click on it. Then go to the costumes tab and make it larger. Make sure to center it in between this interface. It should snap right in the middle like this. Then you will have to drag it over here. You can drag it wherever you want, but I will pick over here. Then you have to go to events and bring out when green flag clicked. Then you will have to go to motions, the motions tab, and then bring out set y to the number that is right over here. If the number is different, then you can just copy this number and then place it here. Now snap it inside here. Then you will have to bring a forever loop from control and then also put it here. Then go to motion and bring out set x2. Now go to the sensing tab and bring out mouse X, this oval shape, and then put it over here until it snaps. Now we have got a sprite that is checking our mouse X. The X is basically the location of the sprite, left or right, and the Y is the up or down. So now we have made the bowl move, but it's looking a bit boring. The backdrop is just a white blob, and there's nothing to catch. So let's fix that. Go to choose a backdrop and click on it. Then go to patterns and bring out the backdrop names types. Click on it. Now it's looking much better, but still there's nothing to catch. So go to choose a sprite and then bring out the sprite named apple. It should look like this. Click on it. Now we have got the apple sprite. So let's get coding. Bring out when green flag clicked and then bring out forever. Then go to motion category and bring out set x2 and then go to operators and bring out pick random and then type here -200 and type here 200. Basically this code will set the apple's position to a random number. Then you will have to go here and then bring out change y by a large number, maybe like 30. You can check this by changing the y by this, by clicking this and then counting how many times it took to reach over here. Now you will have to bring set y from the motion and then snap it over here. Now the apple will move anywhere, but we have set change y by 10. It is not going down, instead it's going up. So let's fix that. Go here and type -10. Now the apple is falling, but we cannot catch it. So let's fix that. Stop the project and go to variables and make a new variable called score, like this, and make sure to put it for all sprites. Then click OK. Now go to the apple and then bring out when green flag clicked and a forever loop. If then touching Paul, then change score by 1 and then hide. Now you have to do show this small block from the looks category and put it over here. Then put hide. Now let's test it out. As you can see, the apple is going down and it's hiding and then showing again. Let's try to collect this. It looks like that it's collecting, but it is too boring. There's no sound effect. So let's add a sound effect. Stop the project and go to sounds. Then click on choose a sound and then bring a sound and then search coin. The sound should sound like this. Click on it. Then drag display sound coin until done and put it over here. Make sure that it says coin here. Otherwise, you can click on this small arrow and then change the sound. Now put it over here. Now let's test out the project. As you can see, it's working. But when we are starting the project, the score is the same as last time. So let's go to the variables category and bring out set variable. And put here score, set score to 0. This will happen when the project starts. Now let's test it. As you can see, now the game is working fine. Congratulations, you have made a catch game in Scratch. Bye bye and see you in the next game episode.